These coding tests were really hard. Big models perform poorly on hard coding tasks. Despite recent progress in AI code generation, leading models from Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic were found to have 0% success rate on hard programming problems. This result was obtained through experiments conducted by researchers who evaluated the top-performing models on a set of 14,000 programming questions from LeetCode, a popular platform for software development interviews. Interestingly, when faced with easier coding challenges, these models demonstrated a higher success rate, ranging from 60 to 80%. This finding is quite remarkable given that these same models are often celebrated for their near-human or superhuman abilities in coding tasks. For instance, Google's own evaluation of V111 GPT-4 claimed that it matches the top 10% of engineers in code generation capabilities. However, the reality seems to be more nuanced. While these models excel in many areas, they still struggle with complex coding challenges, highlighting the need for more robust and sophisticated AI systems for tackling such problems. This also adds to the ongoing discussion regarding the true capabilities of current AI models. Prominent figures like Andrej Karpathy have drawn comparisons between interacting with ChatGPT and using command-line tools, suggesting that while impressive, current models are far from creating fully autonomous AI agents. Instead, they function more as advanced tools that can assist developers, but still require human guidance and oversight. In other news, a new startup from the Y Combinator has developed Claudia. It's an open-source graphical interface for Claude Code, which was previously only available via a command-line interface. This development is significant because it makes Claude Code more accessible to a wider range of users by providing a more user-friendly way to interact with the model. The move towards graphical interfaces for AI development tools suggests that the market is maturing and catering to a broader audience beyond just developers and researchers. It also highlights the increasing demand for easy-to-use AI development platforms, which can help democratize access to AI development tools and resources. Staying with the data and training theme, Google has come under scrutiny for using YouTube videos from creators like Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, and Ryan Trahan without explicit consent for training their Veo 3 model. This move has sparked concerns about data ownership and usage rights, especially as these creators didn't opt in or out of the data collection. Google's response to these concerns has been that the use of this data falls under fair use. But this argument is likely to face challenges and could set a precedent for future data collection practices. This situation underscores the importance of clear guidelines and regulations around data usage and training, especially as AI models become more sophisticated and require vast amounts of data for training. In another interesting development, Russian tech giant Yandex has announced the release of Yamda, a dataset of 20 million identified web and mobile apps with attached contextual data. What sets Yamda apart from other similar offerings like Spotify and Netflix is that it includes both user-generated and professionally created content, providing a more diverse and comprehensive data source for training AI models. This move could potentially enable AI systems to better understand and generate human language, leading to more sophisticated and contextually relevant AI applications. It could also provide an alternative data source for training AI models, particularly for markets where Western tech giants have limited presence. Moving on to business developments, Indian tech veteran Narayan Murthy has voiced his opinion on AI and its impact on jobs, stating that AI will not take away jobs, but will instead augment human capabilities and create new job opportunities. While this optimistic viewpoint is shared by many in the tech industry, it's essential to consider the real-world implementation challenges and the need for workforce adaptation to ensure that people are prepared for the changing job market. On a positive note, Indian tech companies are making significant strides in international markets. According to the UK's Companies House, Indian-owned companies have seen a 23% increase in the last year. With 586 companies now operating in the UK, this growth is primarily driven by Indian tech giants like Wipro and Zoho, which are expanding their global reach and contributing to the UK's position as a hub for technology and innovation. Finally, in the field of education, AI is proving to be a valuable tool for assisting students with the college selection process. New tools are being developed to help students explore their options based on their preferences and academic profiles. These AI-powered platforms offer personalized recommendations and simulate the workload of college counselors, allowing them to guide many more students effectively. This practical application of AI showcases its potential to address real-world problems and improve the efficiency of educational institutions. In conclusion, these developments highlight the rapid evolution of the AI landscape. While AI continues to advance and show promise in various domains, challenges and limitations still remain. As we move forward, it's essential to embrace a balanced perspective that acknowledges both the potential and the constraints of current AI systems. Moreover, the increasing focus on responsible AI development, data usage guidelines, and user-friendly interfaces signifies a maturing AI ecosystem that's paving the way for wider adoption and integration of AI into various aspects of our lives. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode and want to support our work, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Your support helps us continue delivering quality content and keeps us motivated to explore more topics in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. This information has been compiled and created by AI.